Chamin kan chaldo na sakmi zo khapui sir ding noi zo ram ro hu bi yêu college tia an vua sakmi
Henceforth, we will no longer refer to you as students. We'll refer to you as ladies and gentlemen because, as of today, you are ready to spread your wings and fly out into the world.
Well, it's gratifying to look around and see so many beautiful faces. It's truly an honor, and I'm in awe with all the collective expertise gathered here. We have got our graduates, respected principal and madam, faculty members and friends, all gathered here for one thing, our graduation. So today we grow bigger than our differences. So here's to you and here's to us. Let's all put our hands together and give ourselves a big appreciative welcome.